I invested $5 a day. In 30 days, it changed everything. And no, this isn't a magic trick or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's literally the easiest money habit I've ever tried, and I wish I started sooner. $5 a day. Most of us spend that without thinking, on a quick snack, a soda, or just random stuff that disappears before you even remember where it went. But if you take that same $5 and set it aside every single day, at the end of 1 month, you've got $150. That's not just pocket change, that's money you can invest, even if it doesn't feel like a lot. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're sitting on $1,800 a year. And here's where it gets fun. Put it into a basic investment like an index fund or ETF, and with an average 10% return over time, your money starts making money for you, even while you sleep. No spreadsheets, no advanced math, just a simple, repeatable routine. Fast forward a few years, and suddenly you're looking at a balance that can actually turn heads. That's the real secret behind wealth building. Small habits, done consistently. It's not about one big win or a lucky break. It's about showing up for your future self every single day, even when it feels boring or too small to matter. Trust me, there were plenty of days I almost skipped it. There were moments when I wanted to buy that extra dessert, order food, or just spend without thinking. But every time I hit transfer instead, I felt like I was taking back control. The numbers in my account started growing. My confidence did too. Suddenly saving my first 10,000 didn't feel impossible. It felt like a plan. You're one habit away from your first 10 grand. Try the $5 a day rule and see how far it takes you. If nobody ever taught you this in school, I will. Hit follow for more habits that actually build wealth, one day at a time.